Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I will demonstrate how to deploy Flask Material Kit starter using this new service provided by us, which is a live deployer that knows how to deploy on render different types of projects like React, Node.js, Django, Flask using just a simple drag and drop gesture here in this box. Let me demonstrate the concept. So I will access the source code of this project and just drag with the mouse the link here and click on go live button. Now the platform analyzes the repository, detects the type, and if the request is accepted, we can see here the deployment ID, which is a serial used by the platform to identify the build later on. And if we go here to the render dashboard, we can see that the product is under active deployment. Let's access the compilation log, and we can see that the build was started, modules are installed, and soon the product should be deployed live. In the same way, we can deploy other projects provided by AppSeed, including the full stack ones that uses React UI bundled with the Django, Flask, or Node.js in the backend. And we already published some videos that explain the process on YouTube. So feel free to access our account and check out those demonstrations. Okay, so the build was successful. Randall flagged the build as under deployment. Looks good. We can see only here in the runtime log only successful messages. So soon the product should be live. Okay. And also the state of the project is flagged with this green flag that tells us the product is usable, and we can access the live deployment. Okay, I will open up the project using another window. Okay, until the render fully pushes the source code, there are a few seconds that the service is not fully up and running, so we need to wait. Okay, let's create a new user. Okay, user created successfully. We can sign in and use the product that is now deployed in production. The UI looks amazing in my opinion, and can be used based on the permissive license, can be used in commercial projects, or take the source code and incorporate in other type of projects for e-learning or just for presentation websites. So guys, this is the live deployer platform. The service is not free, it's reserved for pro users, but it's super accessible, and the pricing is decent. Let us know what you think about this new feature, and in case anyone have issues, feel free to access here the support page and chat with us, send us an email, or simply access the Discord and chat one-to-one with the support team. Thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.